In today's video, I will share you 5 skills to make money online without any knowledge. Before we go to our video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Okay, let us go to canva.com. Home. Create CV. You see here it is a ready-made template for our resume. Let's change this photo with our photo. Let's upload from our PC. Upload. Okay. Let's minimize. Okay, if you can change the name, this name, work experience, educational background, your email, your phone address, and then enter all. You can change this text to with your educational background. Then when you finished, click here and upload in PDF version, PDF standard, then download. Let's see together. Okay, save. Let's open. You see how it is attractive. Resume. Then let's go to Fiverr. I will show you how many people are providing this service. Fiverr. Switch to buying. Write CV. Writing. Search. You see, let's open this gig. I will offer professional resume, CV cover letter, writing service, basic, standard, and premium service. You can establish gig on Fiverr or on Upwork or freelancer.com. Make money by using this. Okay, let's go to the next skill, number 2, social media profile picture maker. Let's go to Google, write PF maker. PF maker. It is a free profile picture maker. Let's upload our photo by clicking here. Click this photo. generating a profile picture. Wait a little. This PF maker helps stand out our profile picture. It looks like professional. Okay, we finished. Do you see how it's attractive? Let's download this one. If you want, you can download all. Download. Save. Let's see. Okay, how it is beautiful. Okay, let's go to see on Fiverr. Profile picture. Profile picture. You see? Let's see this gig. I will do make your profile picture professional. 109 customers are ordered this gig. You can do like this. Okay, let's go to skill number 3, email collection or lead generation. Go to Google. Let's search by social media manager's email. Let's show you step by step. It collects email addresses of social media manager to send bulk email. Let's Control plus A, then copy, go to H super tool, to extract our data. H super tool is a free SEO and a digital marketing tool. Go to email text extraction tool. Let's extract our data. Paste. Get the data. Okay. You see, 2 email is extracted. Skill number 4 is when we collect, we have to validate our email for the deliverability. Is very important to clean our email. Skill number 4 is email validation service. I will show you this one. Let's copy our extracted email. Go to email, bulk email validation. Before we that, let's log in. Bulk email validation. Right click, paste it here, validate email. Validates. Wait a little. You see, we are validating our email. Okay, export this to CSV file. Okay, we finished. Save. Let's show you. Okay, you see our email, our result syntax is invalid. Unfortunately, we extracted two email. This is for example. Let's show you how many people are providing this service on Fiverr for your motivation. Fiverr. Okay. Email extraction. Email validation. You see 830 people are working on this. I will do bulk email verification, validation, and list cleaning. You can publish your gig on this, then make money online. The last, and I will show you SEO reports. This is the last skills SEO report. Go to HSuperTool. We review our websites. Go to SEO analyzer. As you know, SEO stands for search engine optimization. SEO report helps to know errors inside websites. It helps for website owner. For example, let's write here bbc.com. bbc.com. Let's click here review. Wait a little. You see reviewing our websites, past to improve and errors inside the websites. When we finished, we can download this report, then provide to your clients. This is our today's video.